Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 26th, and this is my analysis for gold. And we're starting off on the 4 hour time frame. So, on the 4 hour and the daily time frame, it looks like it potentially is making an A, B, and now we're going up in a wave C. If it is in a wave C, then it needs to make higher lows on this time frame. Higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It needs to continue trending, which is a series of higher highs, higher lows. If it breaks that trend at any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, as in it makes like a very significant lower high or preferably a breaker structure down, then we'll know that this is not a wave C and it actually may end up turning into a bigger move down. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be looking for longs right now. I would have my Fibonacci retracement run this last impulsive move up. If it goes down and breaks that low, that's what would turn me into a seller. I would wait for the break, then I would wait for a pullback, and then I would go short on the pullback. Otherwise, we have to realize that the weekly, the daily, and the monthly are all, even the 4 hour, are all in an uptrend. The trend is your friend. So we are definitely looking for longs. We're looking at for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go long, hopefully for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.